Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I want to do one on a product called iSpyPen. It's a pen with a hidden 2K camera where the clip is located, and we're going to go into the details in a little bit, but let's start an unboxing. I got the iSpyPen Pro, so let's go ahead and start the unboxing here. And it comes with two boxes. Okay, so we got this one first, the X it says. And let's see, go ahead and open this up. The pen comes with a lifetime supply of ink, so you just send them off a message email and they send you new refills. So go ahead and open this. And these are the different colors. The color of the actual pen part and then the clip. So the entire pen is black, of course, but you can change the tip of the pen to all the different colors there: blue, white, gray, yellow, whatever, all the different colors, and then have combinations as well, like a blue end and a black clip and all kinds of neat stuff here. So this goes over how to do that. It's pretty simple the way they come apart. Okay. And I'm assuming the next box will be the pen. I have to get my knife out. I forgot it. Okay, so here we go. We'll open this up. And it's reminiscent of a Mont Blanc pen is what it is. They're pretty close actually in quality. That's just some directions and warranty. So it opens up. Nice padded little box. Okay, here's the pen. It's fairly heavy. And here's the way it unscrews. And then it exposes a USB-A end that you just simply, this is a 128 gigabyte, by the way, so that's a lot of storage. You just plug that into your computer and it charges it, and then you can also take the files off at the same time. So pretty neat. One click on the top starts the recording, one click stops it. Real simple, easy to use. Okay, so let's go over some of the instructions here. So what I just did, basically, I just went over this: open up the pen, then you can remove the pen. Like I said, it's a 128 gigabyte. Plug it in, charge your pen. I found it's about 2 hours to fully charge it, and then it lasts a long time. I haven't been able to determine how long it goes before it needs charged again. And it's a 1080p video, so really high quality. Has really neat stabilization as well, so when you're writing, as you're writing, you think it's going to be bouncing, and it's not. It's a real stable recording. So you just unplug it, plug it in the computer, computer charges it, takes files off, etc. So this is the version that I got, the new 2023 model. It's an improved model. It's a full HD 2K with up to 24 hours of storage. Of course, it has the 6-color combination, 1-year warranty, functionality, roller ink ball with replaceable ink pens, replaceable ink cartridges. So in the improved version, you can see what each function is. It has the stabilization, has the memory, playback on a smartphone, tablet, or computer, records up to 4 hours per session. break-proof clip, improved audio capturing, has really good audio. Here is an example of a recording. I pressed and held the pen until the blue light flashed, and then the blue light is now out. There is no blue light on the back of the pen. So that's my video on the iSpyPen. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.